All right, this is stock number 50575. It's a Haas model VF-3SS vertical machining center, serial number 1057124, new 2007. It's equipped with the model TR-210H dual axis trunnion rotary table, so that's 4th and 5th axis.
Is that it?
I'm not done.
What else?
It has the super speed Haas VOPD, inline direct drive spindle, 12,000 RPM, the high speed tool changer, 24+1, programmable coolant, and 3-spindle coolant, rigid tapping and whips. All right.
Now, okay, yeah.
Pretty loaded up.
Take a walk through, right? The door's half open. We can open this up, take a look inside. The trunnion is up there, of course, so we can pop these open. Yeah, we were just running it, warming up the spindle here a little bit, so got the control remote on the side here. That works.
Right.
Look around the back, or
Sure.
take a look at things. Yeah, walk around, watch yourself. Yeah. And side, not much going on here. These are all our cords coming in, 4th, 5th axis right here. Airline coming in the bottom, which 4th and 5th does use for the brakes on the trunnion. Both axes. Coming around the panel here, lube down low, air pressure, the whole package is right down in here. We can open this up, show the switchgear panel. Oh, it's pretty much standard Haas. We're in at low voltage right now. I'm giving it about 212 volts, 211. Up high is the frequency drive for the spindle, 40 horsepower. Haas IO, these are the 6 servos. X, Y, Z, A, B, and of course, pallet changer. So, all up and running. It's my temporary cord coming in through there. Just, I went through the seal type because it works. Down on the side here, got the whole coolant system with the cords and the dual pumps. The funnels there for the screw, for the auger laying down there. And off to the right, they were using a air hammer and an air device on a beam there, so that'll all go with the machine. That's about it. We'll go back around and move some things around. Maybe run a program here. Watch out for those cords. Watch out for that machine. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff in the way here. So,
all right.
Yeah, straight away, what do I do? Let's see. Maybe we'll just run the spindle up right away, because I did have it programmed for its max 12,000, so we can bring that on board. I think I'm still there. I'm going to start off slow, ramp it up. Where am I at? 30, 20. We should have it right now. Yeah, clockwise. 2,000. We'll ramp it up to 12. Hold it for a few seconds. Come back down. The program itself is running at 4,000, so I'll take it up manually. And you can see, we're going to angle this off. Are you okay with angling this?
That's better.
Or I'll leave it flat. Yeah, there we go.
Thank you.
I can just walk it up to 12,000. I think I've got a program at 12. So plus spindle. You can see the numbers, 36. Can you see those?
No, but I'll come in.
Call them out, yeah. 48. And you can't much see the spindle anyhow, so. 6. 7. We get up there a little bit higher. 9, 95. 10, 10, 8, yep. That's max right there. Come down a couple. You see the load meter. Back up a little bit. Back up to 12. I'll just stop it and start at 12. Let that sit there. Come back up. sounds pretty good. One more time up and we'll walk it down. That's about what we'll be running at, 47, 48. I'll stop it there. I don't know, jump into MDI. I think we got a couple of tools up in there. Let me just change all this out. Let me get rid of this stuff. I'm just going to do an MO6 command here. And I think 21's one of them. I think we can do that. Let's see if we get a tool change here. There's one. And we can do one more maybe. Let me alter this to a T24. And so, I don't know if you can see it moving. It was just did that thing. I mean, so that works good. In fact, this is going to, the program calls for tool number 7, which is no tool at all because I didn't want to run a tool with the trunnion in there. So whenever I start the auto cycle, it'll go to tool number 7, which will be no tool. That said, let me bring it back over in jog mode here. X over. As soon as the compressor shuts off, you kind of hear things moving around a little bit. There's X. Y going back.
Let's do X again if you don't mind.
Yeah. Moving along. And Z down. And A is here. Brake comes off. It takes a second. I think I can use the handle here. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Leave that about there. And then B. Air brake gets off. That's rotating if you want to move it on there. Oops. I think I can use the handle on this too. Right, there we go. Yeah, same thing. Whatever degrees. Yeah, that all looks pretty good. So that said, right there, I'm just going to leave it maybe and jump into this auto program here, which is this guy here, which is, that's a couple minutes long. It gives information. They're running some distal fibia. What's a fibia? So some medical part they were running. There's a couple programs. I'm going to start it right here and kind of watch the machine here. Whenever I hit cycle start, it's going to go in, change the tool, and go into its position, rapid. I'm only running a 50% rapid. We're sitting on blocks here, and I just don't want to run at 100. It's fast enough for our wants and needs. So kind of watch the cabinet here. I'm going to hit cycle start. It should go put the tool away and then start its program. And I can ramp it up a little bit as we go. I think I'm at 100% on spindle. Feed's at 130. We're not cutting any iron here, so I got the feed jacked up just to move the program along. So I should be good to go here in cycle start. Yeah, we're clear. We should have it right now. Everything's going to get in position here. It looks like a 7-hole pattern at 3 different degrees, angles on the cradle. Looks like they're pecking, a little pecking program going on here. You can watch this for a minute. After it changes it over again, you can kind of look at the screen too. Yeah. Now you can kind of go over here and see it walking down the program. Just kind of, yeah. There's a lot in there. Somebody wrote a pretty nice program here for a lot of holes. So. Indexes around, and I think after this angle we go flat, drill 7 more holes maybe, and let's see. I was right, it's at 4,000 RPM on spindle. It's another angle change, 20 degrees. raise it up a couple of percentage points on the feed. Like I said, it doesn't matter. We're at 150, but we're not cutting anything. They're using everything on this one. Should be getting pretty close here. I think this flat position might have been the last one for the tilt. Let me see. I was so wrong. I thought that was it. One more. Now we're coming up like that. Just gonna go over for a tool check now. If you watch over in the back there, and it's gonna look for it, and it's not gonna find it. And right there it freezes the program because we didn't touch off, which is that beep, but it's too late now to look over here. I've already got the alarm, and it knows. It's pretty cool, broken tool. So we stopped the program just short of the end on the M99. We're sitting there with broken tool. We can leave it right there because yeah, the program runs fine, the machine runs fine. It's a good place to stop.